Hi guys, and happy Monday. Always hard, like you can see, always hard to wake up on the morning. Feel extremely tired, and normally it should be the opposite. I mean, the weekend should make you rest and you feel good for the week, but always hard to wake up on the Monday morning. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Hope you enjoyed it. This week's gonna be a little special. This week gonna be a little special. It's Valentine's Day week, so hopefully we're gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah, so I want to tell all of you have a wonderful week. And I have a little message for Babe. I love you.
You guys, as I'm laughing because I just about to pick up the remote to turn on the TV and I saw two notes from Babe. One right here that said, P.S. I love you more. Yes, guys, Papa leave Mama note. And this one says, I love you. Wait, Tyler. This one says, I love you from the bottom of my heart. And that will never change. Oh, I love you too, Pumpkin. Mama. Yes, Boo. Oh, that makes my day. Thank you, babe. And here's another note. Yes, Ty. Another note from Babe. I love you forever. Aww. Totally made my day. Thank you, honey. Yes, Tyler. Huh? Yeah. Say good morning, Faves. I'm having my breakfast. What are you having? What is this? Yeah, chocolate toast. Chocolate toast. Yeah. You guys, I'm going in the kitchen to make breakfast, and here's another note from Babe. Stick on the fridge. You're my everything. How sweet is that? Hi, Fairs. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is Monday morning, so I know it's the start of a busy week for so many of us, and including me, because I have work today. I woke up this morning and I found them. I tried to find. Wow, what is that? Oh, hold it, else it's gonna fall. Hold it. Oh no, come fix it. I woke up this morning and I tried to find a million reasons why I'm to stay in bed and I'm to not work out and I'm not to get up, but oh, it's okay, fix it. But the devil didn't win this morning. I did not allow the devil to play with my brain. I didn't let him win. So I got up, I knocked out my workout, I look after Tyler breakfast, and I just got all fresh, and now I need to start my chores because I'm going to work today. However, I don't have to take Tyler to daycare because baby's coming home to take care of Tyler, so I don't have to rush like I used to rush because baby will come home. So I have to get some editing done, tidy up this house, and cook dinner, I have so much other little things to do around the house. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys do what you have to do. And with all that said, be positive. As I always tell you, stay motivated, stay away from naysayers, stay away from negative thinkers. If there is somebody around you who is telling you that you don't need to work out, don't listen to them. Negative thinkers. If there's somebody around you who is telling you that you're not beautiful enough, don't listen to them. Don't listen to naysayers and negative thinkers. You don't need that. Anyway, you guys, love yourself, stay blessed, stay motivated, enjoy today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Ty, you're fixing it? Fix it. Take them up. Take them up. He's playing Lego. Anyway, you guys, let me jump into the kitchen and get the kitchen all clean. Oh, baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he vlogged, then you guys would have seen him before this. But if he didn't vlog, then of course you guys will see him later. I'm going to start in the kitchen, pack out these dishes, clean up and wash up and all that. Wow, what is that?
Truck.
Yeah, it is Tyler's truck. He's so funny. This boy is so grown. Alright, out of the kitchen, Mama is gonna clean, okay?
Mama, you're green.
Yeah. He's so funny. So you guys, this is a special soap that Tyler have to be using. Yeah, Crocodile is there. This is a special soap that Tyler have to be using to shower. And he'll continue to use it for a few more days. Yes, baby, Crocodile is there. And it seemed to be helping a lot because he haven't had any more huge breakouts since he started using it. So I think it's working, and the medicine that he used to, I think it's working. So we don't give him the medicine until in the afternoon though, because he only get the medicine one time a day, and he only get to use the soap one time a day. I am going to start making dinner so that way I can be well on my way to get ready for work. For dinner, I'm going to make some big fish. So I'm going to wrap these up, put into the oven, and then figure out what I'm going to have the fish with. Sleeping? You want your car? You haven't been sleeping all this time? Huh? Go nap. Nap. You woke up from nap already? Ah, sweet boy, I love your hair. Stand.
Mama.
Yeah?
Let's go to breakfast.
Let's go to breakfast. You already had breakfast, silly. You want snack?
Snack.
Yes.
Go to snack.
Let's go to snack.
Hug.
Hug. Come. Come up.
Mama.
Mm. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Mama.
I can't believe you're already awake. Ah. Yeah, you have to take it down. Oh, that's what you do to put it up? The other one is in the toy box. You guys, I ended up making quinoa to go with the baked fish for dinner. So I'm actually packing mine to go to work right now.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
What's that?
What is that? You tell me what's that.
Mom. Mom.
Yeah. And I don't want too much quinoa, so I'm going to add some salad to mine. Yes, Ty?
On the other side.
What's on the other side?
Pixie, run.
Yeah, that was the outcome of the fish.
Mama,
Yes, Pumpkin.
Papa,
Oui, Tyler.
see,
Oui.
Mama,
You guys, I'm all set. I'm ready for work. Baby's gonna drop me. Yes, baby. Baby's gonna drop me because it's raining like crazy outside. So I'm all ready to go.
Hi guys, yeah, I'm back home. Baby's at work, and I have 2 hours before to go to get her, so I'm gonna run. Didn't run last week, and yeah, that was bad for me, but didn't, well, I should not say that, but didn't really feel, and yeah, but gotta go back. 1 week is enough. If I wait too long though, so yeah. Gonna run a little bit. Hopefully I can do some abs. Gonna stretch because I realized that I injured very fast or very easily. Always been the case for me, but actually it's kind of strange. So maybe I don't think that I don't think that I stretch enough. So hopefully I can do like 20 minutes of stretching, a good session of stretching. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, so hopefully I will do what I want to do, and I'm not gonna lose more time and going to run now.
Ça, c'est la planète sur laquelle nous habitons. La Terre.
Yes.
Mama,
Tu dis la Terre.
Père,
Terre.
Père,
T, te.
c'est deux.
C'est une
He loves playing with us, especially babe.
We
Tyler, but you have your matching cars tonight on your outfit. So what are you making out on camera, honey? And that brings me to the Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be a love kind of sexual word. The Jamaican expression for today is bedroom bully.
Bedroom bully.
Yes. If you're in a relationship and somebody call you a bedroom bully, your man or your woman tell you that you're a bedroom bully, means that you control things in the bedroom.
So who is the bedroom bully?
I know you were gonna say that. You tell me, who is it?
You tell me who is it. Alright guys, PG-12, PG-16.
So the Jamaican expression for today is bedroom bully. It simply means that you're the one who take control in the bedroom. You control things, you understand? Put him on under manners.
Yeah, bedroom bully.
Maybe, am I? Anyway, ta-da-da. What's the French word for today?
Nothing to, no link with what you say. It just came to me earlier when I was running, when I entered in the house. The French expression for today is "C'est pas Versailles ici." C'est pas Versailles ici. Versailles is the French biggest castle and one of the biggest castle in the world. Le Château de Versailles. You see the big castle that we went. So this is magnificent and all of these things. So c'est pas Versailles ici mean is not Versailles here. Mean when you enter in a house or any place and you see light everywhere and nobody in the room, like why the light is on. So that's the expression that you say, c'est pas Versailles ici. Mean, you need to turn down this light. So when I came home earlier, it was kitchen, living room, all bedroom, every light was on. And I said, c'est pas Versailles ici.
You need to tell Tyler that, not me.
Tyler, c'est pas Versailles
Yes,
ici.
Tyler, you need to tell.
Uh,
Tell Tyler, c'est pas Versailles ici.
right.
Yes, Tyler, you need to tell.
Yeah, I tell him.
Tyler,
c'est
walk
pas
and
Versailles
turn
ici.
on
Every light.
every light. Lord, have mercy, that boy love light. Well, you guys, he's off the bed. I think you guys know that by now. Alright, so there you have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys, we are shutting down for the night. I'm tired, I'm going to bed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and welcome to all our new subscribers. We already love you and we continue to love all the old ones. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.